Hey guys, welcome to my channel How to Learn. In this tutorial, I want to explain about how to create singly linked list. And in our previous tutorial, we already discussed about what is singly linked list and how to represent it. If you guys missed that video, please go to our playlist data structures and you can find that video. And if you are visiting our channel for first time, please subscribe so you will never miss any updates. Let's start. Initially, I will explain this code with help of animation and then we can start implementation. If you observe code below, it contains the code related to creation of singly linked list. Just assume where compiler is executing this code and we are getting animation based on the compilation result. Okay. Now this initiate the line, this line code will be executed. Node n1 equal to new node 1. So here what's happening, a node will be created with data 1, but there will be no reference to this node and the node will be like data 1 and reference null. See here we got this node with data 1 and reference null, and let's go to the next line. Here also similar to the previous line, we are creating a node with data 2 and reference null. The same with the n3 and n4 also, guys. Now we have 4 nodes with data and their references as null. So what is our requirement? Our requirement is to create single linked list with data 1, 2, 3, 4. So initially we have created 4 nodes here. Now when this line code gets executed, a single linked list gets created, but it is null. So what we need to do? We need to assign node n1 to the list.head. List.head is nothing but entry point of a singly linked list. It will be like this. We have a singly linked list and it contains a node 1 which contains reference null. Now I want to link n2 to n1. It will be like, yeah, you can observe it here, right? Now after node 1 we have node 2. If I want to link node 3 with node 2, I want to say n2 dot next equal to n3. So the reference here gets updated and we'll get this node gets linked. Similar to the next line also. Okay. Here now we got some linked list got created with data 1, 2, 3, 4. And we observe here it is pointing as head because entry point of a linked list is known as singly linked list is known as head. Here it is head node, guys, and we can say this node as tail node. When we have any node in linked list with reference as null, it is nothing but end of a linked list, and we can also say tail node of the particular singly linked list. We are done with explanation of animation. Now we need to write the code and execute it. I'll debug the code, guys, so you can understand it very easily. Node n1 equal to new node 1. Let me copy this. Let me say n2, n3, n4. Now let me try to create a singly linked list. Equal to new singly linked list. I want to assign the node n1 to head. Now list is not empty, it contains one element. Okay. Now I need to say n1 dot next equal to n2. n2 dot next equal to n3. n3 dot next equal to n4. Now you guys may ask a question. Here I'm saying list.head.next and here I'm saying n1.next. Anything is same, guys. Okay, you can say list.head.next or n1.next. You will get the same result. Usually what I'll do means I'll try to print the data in this particular linked list, singly linked list. Now let me say list.head Let me run the application now. I'll get data printed 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's understand about how to print data in the single linked list. Now what I'll do means I'll just debug this code and explain you what's happening here. Let me go to the debug mode. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, if I say step over, now a node got created with data 1 and reference null. Similar to that, all 4 nodes will be created with their data and reference as null. Now we have created a single linked list with no data in it, so it will be like null. Okay, if you observe here, head is null. Now we are updating the head by assigning node 1. Yeah, you can observe it here, right? Let me execute all the lines of code here. And if you observe the updated linked list, it contains 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. N1, N2, N3, N4. Yeah. Observe it here. It have data 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? I hope you guys got it now. How to create a single linked list. In our upcoming tutorials, let's understand how to print data in the single linked list. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thank you.